said only tiger. So when the king came of age and people started conversing, people started thinking, talking that such and such prophecy was made for the tiger king. So what would happen? And ultimately, this secret information, dangerous information, startling information reached the king's ears. And as soon as he got the information that the tiger was dangerous for him, tiger would be the reason of his death, immediately he decided to kill the tiger, to hunt the tiger. And after hunting the first tiger, he was pretty much sure that of course he had killed the tiger, that's why there is no question of any danger. And he went to the fortune teller and said, I have killed the tiger, which is supposed to be very dangerous to me. Then what did the astrologer say? Children, what did he say?
You need to kill 100 tigers.
Yes, very nice. May I know the name of the student who responded?
Niharika.
Children, I would be happy when the students interact in the online. In any situation, interactive class is the best, is supposed to be the best. So I prefer my students interacting whenever I ask any question. And in the very beginning, I told you that never hesitate in responding. Don't think that something I am going to speak and it will be wrong. Cast out this idea from your mind. So the astrologer said, single tiger will not serve your purpose, my dear king, my dear honorable king. You need to kill 100 tiger and be careful about the 100th tiger. Swami Bag 100. This is very, very important. So in order to evade his death, in order to evade his death, in order to protect himself, what did the king do? He started recklessly killing the tiger. Children, one thing is very much sure. When I overview the chapter, and if you are a very careful listener, 90% of the theme will be set in your mind and it will help you in writing your answer. So you need to be a very careful listener because very systematically I try to reach your mind with the systematically arranged ideas. So let us see. What happened? The king started recklessly killing the tiger. What happened? Very soon, the tiger got outnumbered. But before that, an incident took place. What was that? Can you
Tiger
remember?
has been lost in their
No,
in their
before
kingdom.
that, something happened that started hindrance for the king. Can you remember?
Outnumber of tigers.
Remember the interruption of a fisher who wanted
Yes,
to hunt
sir.
him? Yes, I wanted to remind. So what was that interruption? Can you tell me?
Sir, officer tries to kill the tiger, but king was not ready.
The officer wanted to hunt the tiger in his kingdom,
Yes,
but
sir.
at the same time, the king was also afraid of. If he bluntly refused, understand? If he outrightly refused his idea, his proposal, what would happen?
He has to lose his throne.
throne, but he has to maneuver in such a way that the venom is removed without blunting the dart. Have you heard the proverb? कि सांप भी मरे और डंडा भी ना टूटे. कुछ ऐसा करो जिससे सांप भी मरे और डंडा भी ना टूटे. It's a proverb. In English you call maneuver in such a way that the venom is removed without blunting the dart. So trying to find out a midway where he is not supposed to lose his throne, rather he will protect the tigers for his personal hunting to evade his death, and also do not make the officer unhappy. So what was the midway? What did the king do to please the officer and to prevent him from killing the tiger in his kingdom? What did he do?
Surprise him 3 lakh rupees.
Yes, send a surprise gift of a number of diamond rings, and when the officer's wife was supposed to pick up anyone or two. But what happened? It was brought from a great jewelers from Kolkata. And what happened? The officer's wife accepted, selected, and kept all the rings. And in those days, can you imagine the worth of the diamond rings? The price when a coin, when a 1 rupee coin was enough for, was rare. Common people rarely had even a single rupee. In those days, the diamond rings cost 3 lakhs.
Yes.
So no matter the king sacrificed 3 lakhs, but ultimately he was able to save the tiger for his personal killing. The reason, to evade his death. But very soon, children, the tiger got outnumbered. The king was not in a position to fulfill the target of 100 tigers. What was the next plan? What was the next plan?
He want to
Yes.
marry a
He
girl.
wanted to marry a princess.
He wanted to marry
Princess, where the
very
tigers
nice.
are available.
Was marriage a prime concern?
No, sir.
Under the pretext of marriage, pretext, ke bahane. Actually, his intention was to get the opportunity to kill the tigers, because if he would become the son-in-law of that kingdom, nobody would prevent him from doing so. And how can the in-laws think that his son-in-law would be in danger? But under the pretext of fulfilling the target of 100 tigers, the king, with the help of his diwan, managed to get married to a princess in the neighboring state, where a good number of tigers were supposed to be found. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. The
Yes, sir.
purpose behind is to get the opportunity to kill the tiger. And the king was very clever. He didn't get married to any prince of any state. Before getting married, what he did? What did he do before getting married? He very wisely conducted a survey that, and telling the diwan that, tell me the estate. That the princess is there, of course, but I will marry the princess of that state where tigers were there in greater number. And ultimately, the king went to the in-laws' house, and there he started killing the tiger. What happened? Did he fulfill the target of 100 tigers?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Still, still one more tiger was needed. He was anyhow by hook or by crook in his estate or in his in-laws estate. Anyhow, he was able to reach 99. One more tiger. And day by day he was getting, irritated. Most of the time he used to lose his temper. The attitude was coming down, and he became very, very serious about the officials and his citizens. He started exerting pressure. In the very beginning, he gave a relaxation, ordered that there would be a relaxation in the tax so that the citizens could cooperate him in finding out the tiger. But when it didn't work, this strategy didn't work, what did he do? He ultimately exerted pressure on the officers. He also increased the tax, but nothing could work. Nothing could work. You can understand the mental state of the Tiger King. And most of the officers were losing their jobs. The king was furious and very much angry, getting short-tempered. He was able to see his death very near, because anyhow he needed one more tiger. And what happened? Some of the officers and the Diwan thought out a plan. What was the plan? The plan was to get a tiger from a zoo. So he managed to get an old tiger. The tiger was getting very old. He was not offensive and aggressive as a tiger is supposed to be in its young age. Anyhow, they managed to bring the tiger in the car, and they unloaded the car anyhow and kept it in the forest. And the king was informed. That, Your Honor, His Majesty, a tiger has been noticed in the forest. Children, tell me, what, after listening to about the availability of the 100 tiger in the forest, what could have been the immediate reaction of the king? What could have been? Can you guess? Can you suggest some words to express his feelings? Yes?
Sir, he was very excited.
Of course, he was very excited, very glad, enamored, at the apex of joy. Apex, highest point of something.
Yes, sir.
He was at the apex of joy. We must use the word overjoyed. The king was overjoyed.
Sir, elation.
Enamored. Apex of joy. Apex of joy is called ecstasy. Ecstasy. It was just like getting the 2 eyes for the blind. Getting the information about the availability of the 100 tiger can be compared to a situation where a person who is blind by birth, and he is supposed to get his 2 eyes, and he is going to see this world, beautiful world. Understand? This was the situation. Because by this 100 tiger, the king was pretty much sure that after killing this 100 tiger, he is going to completely evade his death. But children, what is destined cannot be changed. Man proposes, God disposes. What is destined? Whatever has got fixed, nobody is going to make any change. Destiny cannot be changed. And what happened thereafter? Do you know? Do you know what happened thereafter? Very excited, the king visited the spot, saw the tiger, took a very careful aim, and fired at the tiger. Do you understand the difference between fired at the tiger and fired the tiger?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What?
Fired means, sir, fired
Sorry,
means
sorry.
to kill
No,
and the fired
let
at
me
the
change the word. Shot the tiger or shot at the tiger? Shot the tiger, sure he killed it. But fired
Yes,
at
sir.
the tiger,
He was not sure.
not necessarily the tiger was killed. And this so happened. The destiny deceived the king. Deceived. You know? But the king couldn't realize. The bullet missed the target. But what happened? By the thunderous noise of the bullet, made the tiger become senseless. The thunderous noise of the bullet made the tiger lose his consciousness. But the tiger didn't die. But when the tiger lost his consciousness, the king was sure that yes, the bullet hit the tiger. And he returned immediately, very happily, saying the officers that bring the tiger in the form of procession. जुलूस के शक्ल में लेकर I will celebrate it. I have become the master of my destiny. I have evaded death. Understand? After a moment when the king went away, the officers saw in the eyes of the tiger also saw in their eyes, and the tiger was alive. My goodness. What would happen? What happened next? What happened next? Hello?
They killed the tiger.
Yes, speak loudly.
Sir, the officer had killed the
Sir,
tiger.
officers killed the tiger.
Yes,
Why?
sir. Sir,
Why-
because he
why did
would
the-
want to lose the job.
Yes, sir, in the fear of
Yes.
Maharaja.
Yes, sir.
Fear of Maharaja. Yes, very nice, very happy. This is what I expect from you. Interact it. When you interact, it gives a message that you are listening to it properly and you are getting the things assimilated. So they thought that they would be losing their jobs. So without telling the king, they kept it a secret and they themselves killed the tiger. And everybody, the news was spread. The news was spread that the king himself killed the 100 tiger and he completely evaded his death. So the dead body of the tiger was taken into procession. Everywhere there was a situation, ambience of happiness. And the king, who had put everything on hold, What? Means he had followed the delayed gratification. Children, do you understand the meaning of delayed gratification? What do you mean by delayed gratification? Yes or no? Means several
No.
things you have to do several things. But what do you do generally? The important thing you do first and you postpone the other things for certain period, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are going to appear at the examination. Your examination is going to start very soon. And your cousin, Mama ka ladka, suppose, cousin, there in Bhopal or Delhi is getting married and he called you for 10 days to come. Would you go to your cousin to attend the marriage,
No,
or
sir.
would you prepare
No,
or
sir.
take the
No,
examination?
sir.
Means you postpone it. So certain thing according to priority, you means to postpone certain things temporarily and to do important thing first. That is called delayed gratification. The king forgot everything, was not going to any party, was not celebrating birthday, marriage day, anything. The prime focus was to fulfill the target of killing the 100 tigers. Understand? And everything he put on hold. No, he will not go to any party, will not attend any party, he will not celebrate marriage day, any anniversary, birthday of his son, anything, nothing. Everything was postponed. That was the focus. And that is called delayed gratification. So after the target was finished, after the target was achieved, the king was in a very relaxed mood, and now comes the birthday of his youngest son. Understand? So in order to present a gift to his lovely child, the king went to market. See how destiny deceived the king. The outcome is coming. He went to market to purchase a very expensive king. It was king after all. We're not going to purchase anything ordinary. It must be expensive. It must be royal. So he saw a tiger, wooden tiger, at a shop. It was not made. It was not carved smoothly. Certain wooden projections were there. Still, what happened? He asked the price, though it was very cheap. But the shopkeeper was very clever. Say, if you disclose the very low rate, the king will not purchase. There is a psychology. However good a thing may be, but if you are told the price is very low, you generally think that the thing is not good. Sometimes good things are also available in lesser price. So in order to please the king, deliberately, knowingly, the shopkeeper gave the, told him the bigger price, many times greater than the actual price. And the king was ready to purchase it, and he purchased it. He bought that wooden tiger to present to his son. And both father and son started playing with the tiger. But that tiger was not carved by a very skillful carpenter. So there were certain wooden projection, kill type ka kuch lakdi ka nikla hua tha jahan se. Understand? Wooden projections. And in course of playing with the tiger, that erected projections pierced the finger of the king. Means between the nail and the finger, that projected wooden thing that pierced in between, and the king developed a serious infection. Now coming the climax of the story, the king was immediately admitted, and the surgeons decided to operate on him. Children, when the fortune teller predicted that the 100 tiger will be the reason of his death, and a tiger will be the reason for the king's death, he didn't say whether the tiger would be the real tiger or the wooden tiger. He said tiger. What happened? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In order to justify this point, I would like to give a subsidiary story to justify, exemplify my point. You might have heard, having to correlate to it. It's a similar story in 1 or 2 minutes. Have you heard the name of Barah Mihir, a great
Yes,
astrologer?
sir.
His name was Mihir Sen, but after that incident, he became Barah Mihir. Actually, that he was a very famous astrologer, and he also made a prophecy about a king's son. And what was about? That the king's son will die of a pig will be the reason of the child. A pig will be the reason of the king's son. And the king became so serious and he said, that tell me the date and time and I will keep you in my palace. बंदी बना के रखा उसको, बरामीर को. क्या कहा कि I will wait for the date and the time. And he made all sorts of protections, arrangement that the child is not supposed to go out of the royal palace. The doors will be closed on that particular day. The child will not go out. Baramir was also kept inside. There is no possibility of any pig to come inside the palace. How could he kill the child? But the child went upstairs, chat ke upar, and you might have seen the old buildings, even some of the villages' old buildings, the cemented tigers, pigs, and other animals statue people used to build on the top of the railing of the buildings. Do you know it? In the old buildings and palaces, certainly a statue of the tiger, lion, pig, such and such things were prepared. So on the royal palace, there was a cemented pig on the railing of the palace, and there was a rod holding that statue, 1 or 2 feet coming out of the statue. That is the pig. I'm not adept in making that is a rod, iron rod is there. And when the time came closer, a storm started. The wind started blowing very hard, and the child was playing on the roof. And he went near the railing and tried to catch the pig to protect himself because the wind was very. And on the ground, everybody was rescued. The child is up. Pigs are not allowed to enter. And with the strong wave of the wind, the statue got broken and it fell on the child body, and the rod pierced across the body of the king's son, and he died. And Bara Mihir, that Mihir Sen, said that I didn't say that a real pig or the live pig or the wooden pig or the cemented pig. I said pig. Pig will be the reason of his death. Bara means pig, suar jisko kehte hain. And from that day, his name was changed from Mihir Sen to Bara Mihir. That was the incident. Similarly, the fortune teller about the Tiger King didn't say that the tiger would be the real tiger, a live tiger or a dead tiger or wooden tiger. He said only a tiger, and that wooden tiger with wooden projections got pierced in between the nail and the finger. It developed a serious infection, and the surgeons of the state the royal surgeons decided to operate on him. What happened? And ultimately, the doctors came out of the operation theater and very ironically said, the operation is successful. What next? The king is dead. Ironical statement. When the operation is successful, the king is dead. Contradictory?
Yes, sir.
Contradictory
Yes, sir.
statement, paradoxical statement. And in this manner, the 100 tiger was able to take revenge from this Tiger King. So this is the overview of the story. Understand?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is all about. So you got the complete idea? No,
Yes,
time
Yes,
is
sir.
getting closer. So in the next class, we will hold a lot of discussion, intricate discussion, important points, situations. I think it will take 2 or 3 periods for the entire discussions, question and answer. So tomorrow at the same time, I think tomorrow notice there the classes suspend day after tomorrow, whenever in the next
Yes,
class. In the next class, we'll discuss everything in detail. So children, I think the next class will be taken by
27.
Yes,
after
sir.
tomorrow. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday she will take, and she will be teaching you the stories from on the poems from Flamingo, and I will continue with Vistash. Okay. So,
Yes.
so many writing skills I have already discussed. Still, there is a need. You can tell me, I can repeat it twice, thrice, and as many times as you can. My purpose is to get maximum. Whatever you want, I am here to serve you, to give you. So, but at the same time, I expect my students attending the class in greater number. So that should be immensely benefited. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, anything more? You need to ask anything?
No, sir.
Is this story clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But before I end, let me know, do you find any difficulty in the language? The kind of language I use to explain the things, do you find any difficulty?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
If it is, tell me very frankly. I always want to be student friendly because my purpose is to give you maximum, to give my best. So never hesitate in asking the question, or any point you are confused or you have any kind of doubt, you are free to ask. I'll be the happiest person if you ask any question.